I don't know if the fish are going to be biting at this pond. This pond's really bad when it's cold out, I'm not going to lie. There we go. Holy crap. Oh my god, it's a monster. Oh my god, it's a toad. Oh my god. No way. No way. Oh, you're not bad. Oh crap. I think I have a fish on. Alright, welcome back to the channel, and if you are not being welcomed back because this is your first time here, make sure to go down below, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys could leave a like on this video, that would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, the game plan for today is it is pretty cold out, but it's gonna get to around 44 degrees, which I could definitely deal with 44, but right now it's about like 39, I think. I don't know, it's pretty cold, but let me actually grab it before I start talking about it. But I got a new toy I'm really excited about. Okay, so I'm not gonna be one of those YouTubers and fake it to you guys. I already opened it, and I already looked at it, and I already put line on it, and I already have it rigged up. So, moral of the story is I bought this reel because you guys always ask me, like, what's a cheap spinning reel, and I don't really know any ones that are decent, but I own a couple cheap spinning reels, but none of them I would really recommend to anyone. So I decided to pick this one up. This is the Shimano right here. I don't even know. Sienna? I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's a size 2000 because I actually wanted a 2000 so I could possibly trout fish with if I wanted to, and I could bass fish with, and there's bugs everywhere. But yeah, so I got a size 2000. I'm really excited about it. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want. It was $30 on Shop Carl's. I don't know how much it is when you're not a Carl's member. Jesus, there's bugs everywhere. But anyways, I'll leave a link down below for you guys if you guys want to go check it out. I'm gonna kind of talk about it throughout the video, see if I like it or not, because, you know, I mean, I haven't fished with it, so I can't sit here and say it's amazing, but it feels pretty nice. Oh, the wind's picking up. Here you guys go. I'm gonna hide behind my car so the wind isn't so bad. But anyways, yeah, so I'm really excited about this. I already rigged it up with some line. I have it on a 7.3 right now, which is kind of obnoxious to throw a 7.3, but I'm still gonna do it. I don't have too many spinning rods, so 7.3 is just gonna have to do. But anyways, yeah, I'm really excited about it. Like, really excited if you can't tell. I really wanted a nice spinning reel that was cheap, so we're gonna give this a shot. I mean, it was 30 bucks, so it's not gonna be top notch, but I hope that it's good, or it's gonna be impressive enough that I can recommend it to you guys. So throughout the video, I'll see if I recommend it to you guys or not. You guys will know, I'll say it out loud. Obviously, I'm gonna communicate with you guys if you guys should spend your money on it or not. But before I get out on the water, I'm actually gonna show you guys the reel. I feel like that's smart. All right, so right here is the reel. It just looks pretty snazzy, honestly. I mean, if I saw this thing in person, I wouldn't think it was $30. So from the first little look of it, I really liked it. And I have this with 10-pound fluorocarbon on it. And then this is the rod that I have it on right now, the 6-stick favorite fishing rod, 7.3. I don't know what the action of it is. Can you guys read that? Action moderate. There you go, 7.3. So yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. I also like how it's red, and then the 6-stick is red, so kind of, you know, it kind of goes pretty well together. So this is the new toy, and I'm really excited about it. So let's go get the kayak off my car, because that's always the best part, is taking the kayak off. And then I'll meet you guys out on the water, and yeah, we're just gonna try fishing. I have a couple things rigged up right now. I'm gonna be using my bait caster too. I'm not gonna solely just fish with the spinning combo today, because that's just not fun, you know? So I'll catch you guys out in the water. What, bro? What's up? Is anyone else hearing this guy over there? Wow, I hate geese. Alright, now that that's over, I'm out on the water. I have a drag and drop rigged up on a good old drop shot, and I'm ready to take my first cast with this thing. Oh God, I got all tangled. I hate when that happens. All right, there we go. This should be good. I'm excited. Bruh. That was butter. Oh my God, it reels so nice too. Oh. All right, now we gotta, the ultimate test is how it feels when I catch a fish on it. But wow, I'm really digging it. 30 bucks. All right, I see you. I see you, Shimano. I don't know if the fish are gonna be biting at this pond. This pond's really bad when it's cold out, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm sure we can figure something out. No way. No way. I just said this pond was bad. No freaking way. I casted right at that tree and he was just chilling on that laydown. Ow. You just whiplashed my hand. Ah, there we go. Oh my goodness. Dude, that was incredible. Pat on the back for Becca. I didn't even check the camera angle or anything yet, so. Ooh, you swallowed it. I don't know how that happened, but that was quick and easy. Sometimes you just gotta jinx yourself like that. I'm okay with jinxing myself. Ooh, okay, see ya. He just kind of popped out my hand, but that's cool. What'd you say, Becca? Oh, this pond sucks when it's cold out? Crazy, huh? It literally feels like straight butter. I wish you guys could come through the screen and cast it with me because you guys would be just as amazed as I am. New love of my life is probably gonna be this reel. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for coming. All right, now that I caught a fish, I gotta check my camera angle. How bad is it for you guys right now? I don't know. Oh my God, oh my God. Dude! I was checking my camera angle and this guy came out of nowhere. What the heck? My drop shot was just sitting on the bottom. Just sitting on the bottom. He didn't swallow it, I don't think. Okay, hold on. Let me put you guys back up. I was checking my camera angle just like I said I was going to because, and by the way, the camera angle was horrible. I apologize for that. I didn't know because, you know, I didn't expect to catch a fish so fast. What is going on, Becca? Well, yeah, I was checking to see how good it was, and then my drag started peeling, and it was because he was on it. I was playing with my GoPro. All right, bud. Well, I wasn't moving it like at all. Also, fun fact, this is the same drag and drop from my last video. I think this one single drag and drop has caught me like 6 fish already. I can't believe we just caught 2 fish off this laydown. I never catch fish off this laydown. Wow, what a good day. What a good day. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. Wow. I said what a good day, got stuck in a tree, and then it came out and almost hit me. But, you know, that's all right. Well, I'm throwing a Guggen Squad swim jig, 3/16 with a 3.3 saucy swimmer. I don't know, I think it's 3.3. I want to catch a decent sized fish on that spinning reel, put it to the test. So fingers crossed for a big one. There we go. There we go. Holy crap, I think that might be a good fish. Oh my god, it's a monster. Oh my god, it's a freaking monster. Oh my god, it's a toad. Holy. Oh my god, I'm gonna look at that swim jig. Let's go. Oh god. Oh my goodness. I have a scale, don't worry. Oh, I wish you guys could see. You might be able to see on the GoPro. The water is really clear. All I'm doing is throwing it in these weed patches. And there she was. Or 4.5, I don't know. Okay. 4 pounds on the dot. 4 pounds on the dot. Oh, what? What? Now the scale's reading 314. All right, you know what? I'm just calling it a 4-pounder. I don't think it like set on 4 pounds on the scale. I think I pulled it off too soon. Yeah, that's a Rhode Island brute. That's a Rhode Island brute, my friends. You, my friend, are amazing. One last look. I mean, geez, Louise. Okay, all right, sorry. I just want to show you off one more time. Where you going? Oh, there she goes. All right, let's get back to fishing. Wow. Yeah, so Guggen Squad swim jig and the Saucy Swimmer. If you guys want to go pick it up, it'll be linked down below. Code Becca, you can save 15% off. Oh my goodness. Did you guys hear my line? I'm gonna replay the clip when I hook the fish. There we go. There we go. Holy crap. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, that bite scared the crap out of me. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to get my head back in the game. He was running with it. It had to have been a small fish, but that was scary. I mean, I'd be crazy not to throw the drop shot at that dock, right? There we go. Jeez, how small are you? Oh, you're not bad. Oh, crap. Oh, no. This is a mess. No, I'm going straight into the tree. Come here. Oh my god, why are you so fat? Another fish. Oh, man. Wow, these fish are so predictable. I'm having so much fun. I think I have a fish on. Yep. No, don't get Jesus, you got stuck on the front of my kayak. Oh, another little upgrade. Stop it. No. No, just let me put my finger in your mouth. No, you're not coming off and no. I have light line, otherwise I'd boat flip them and just kind of pick them up, but light line, can't do that. Not risking it for the biscuit. See ya! When I was putting my kayak on top of my car, I had a little friend on my kayak. We're gonna let him go. It's a little freshwater snail. Just a little guy. But I'm gonna put him back in his little home before I talk to you guys. I don't know where to put you, so I don't know, as long as you're in the water, right? Bye, buddy. Okay, there's literally flies everywhere, so I'm not gonna go outside of my car and talk to you guys because they're literally everywhere. I don't know where these flies are coming from, but I'm not feeling it. Okay, so in the beginning of today's video, I talked about this $30 reel right here and if it's good or not. Like, I wanted to know if it was good. It's amazing. Honestly, I might go online and buy another one of these just because it was 30 bucks and this is size 2000 reel. I think there's a 25 and maybe 3000 size as well. I don't remember, but I might get a bigger size and get another one just because of how much I really enjoyed this. For 30 bucks, I don't think you can get much better. So, moral of the story is 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. I'm not sponsored or partnered with Shimano. I don't think they'd partner with someone on YouTube with 6K subs. Just saying, they're a big company. So, yeah, not paid, nothing like that at all. I just really wanted to see how good this reel was and if they made good low priced reels that were quality, and apparently they do. I'm so happy we caught the amount of fish that we did, and not only did we catch a lot of fish, I ended up catching a giant, which is awesome. That is definitely considered a giant for Rhode Island because, yeah, it's definitely not an everyday thing that you catch a fish over 3 pounds here. So, it was pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. But, yeah, we did it. We caught a lot of fish. I caught a big fish. I just lost my train of thought so bad. Anyways, the reel will be linked down below. I forgot what I was even saying a minute ago. I kind of just, wow, lost my train of thought pretty hard right then and there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode as much as I did, and I'll catch you guys next time on another episode of Fishing with Becca.